Three, two, one, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. Up. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Oy.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during the Philippine Extreme Cup Hall of Fame tournament. Today, another new challenger steps up to face the Dragon King. This blader was once a newcomer, but has now come a long way through skill and determination. He placed fourth in the last Beyblade X Philippines Grand Tournament Open category, competing against over 250 other bladers. Now he looks to add the defeat of the Dragon King to his resume. He is Sir Paul. Will Sir Paul bring down the Dragon King, or will the Dragon King begin a winning streak? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I use for this challenge. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with the 160 ratchet and the rush bit. El Drago Upper with a 360 ratchet and the low flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Okay na. Dito na lang. Okay.
Get us ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. Napipit pa yung Grand Buster ang puta.
Kaya nabuhay ko eh. Sayang.
Alam mo? Gago. Paul, 1-0. Ay, sama. Get us ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. Okay. Good.
Gumagana si Mochi. Mangilan ko.
Get us ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. Up. Relax.
Sayang. Wait lang.
Get us ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. Okay, 4-1. Sit and sit.
Ay, okay. Pick ulit na. Dito na. Okay na. Dito na lang ulit. Okay. Wait lang ah. Nakita na ako.
Saba naman si Dragon.
Ayaw niya. Ulit na ako.
Then it's ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. Good.
Mabuhay. Joke lang. Right pala para siya, no?
Okay, 1-0. Sir Paul. Second bay. Ladies up. Ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good, go shoot. Good. Good. Good.
Shoot ba?
2, 1, no? Ano ba kanina na? Oh, tama 2, 1. Spin, tapos burst. 3, 2, 1.
Wait lang, tingnan natin ha. Kung may oras ba? May follow nito.
Ha? Ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot.
Asa na?
Ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, good, good. Okay, good.
Kaya ka. Tibay eh.
Oh!
Yun, nabugtog. No flat yan, no? Oo.
Okay.
3,
1.
3, 1.
Shuffle.
Tapatan mo muna kami. Sige.
Kabilangan na kami.
Ano score? 3-1.
3-1. Second set na pa. Okay. Ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. Good.
Hey, gusto mo tuloy natin. Vincent, sige.
Grabe.
Pick ulit,
Ayaw
pick
mo
ulit.
kasi kung titigil eh. Ganado.
Dito pa tayo.
Grabe.
Kinabahan nga ako eh. Ayaw ko matalo so.
Pero talo eh. Okay ha, ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good, go shoot. Good. Ha? Bang. Okay, circle na lang. Oh! Ganda naman nun. Ganda naman nun. Ganda na yung stick si
Talo.
Sherman.
Uy!
Oy! Okay. 1-0. Grabe ganda nun.
Ganda eh. Sakit nung tama niya.
Sulit yung tama na exclusive. Okay. Ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Go shoot. Good. Oy! Oy! Good. Oy! Oy! 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Good. Oy! Oy!
Tapos na.
And that's game. The final standings are Dragon King 2, Sir Paul 1. Sir Paul managed to score a sweep in one match, but the Dragon King ultimately secured the victory. He is your winner and still the Dragon King Challenge Champion. Props to Sir Paul. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Sir Paul, and I'll see you guys in the next video.